Hello. Now let me explain you a interesting trick of Python where multiple variables can be set in one line. So let us say we are setting x, y, z. You can observe that on the left side also there are three variables names, and I am setting the value as maybe 10 for x, 20.5, it's a float value. So different value types I can set here, and a string I can set for z. So we'll just see how it is printed. Let us print x, y, z, and maybe we can try addition of x and y also. X plus y, z. Let us run this. Running for the first time in Google Colab, so it may take a little bit of time. Meanwhile, I can explain you that this 10 first variable will go to x, second will go to y, and the third will go to z. And since Python is auto type, so automatically x will become an integer type, y will become a float type, and z will become a string type. So here the results are proper, and now x, y, z have been set. So how this is actually happening? Let me tell you that this when we put commas between multiple variables, it actually makes a variable type called tuple, which is a multiple data type holding variable type in Python. So this is a tuple, and the act of assigning this to three variables is actually unpacking this data. We technically called it unpacking data to multiple variables. Whatever variables we are setting here, even this will work. So actually this will work for list also and dictionary also, but we'll explain that later. Right now we are understanding it as a multiple variable declaration issue. This is a unique feature of Python. Let us also ask using AI how this code is working. Let us ask AI. So Gemini 2.5 here will explain me how this code is working, and I'll wait for a while to let the answer come. And similarly, you can understand all these codes, whatever I am telling you, for the purpose of understanding it better. So this assigns integer to this, float to this, and a string to this. Whatever I told you, it is explaining that. Show me how to perform type conversion. So you can do various things on this. I think for now this is enough to understand multiple variable declaration in one go. Thank you.